Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a project for a company called Retail Tech Inc. This is an e-commerce company that wants to use AI to make hiring faster and fairer. I'll explain the problem they face, the technology they plan to use, the challenges we found, and the ethical issues involved. Then I'll share our solutions and why they work. Let's start with the business scenario and problem definition. Retail Tech Inc. is a mid-sized online shopping company. Right now, they hire people manually, but they miss about 30% of good candidates because of mistakes. Their goal is to speed up hiring by using AI to check resumes. This will help them handle over 10,000 applications each year, especially after growing a lot since the pandemic. The problem is the old way takes 4 weeks and they want it down to 1 week. This is a big challenge, but it's also a chance to improve. Pause and point to the chart or image showing 30% missed candidates. And IT context. Now let's look at the technology. They plan to use an AI powered tool that works with their cloud system on Amazon Web Services or AWS. This tool will use machine learning to learn from past hiring data and pick the best candidates automatically. This idea is to make the process faster from 4 weeks to 1 week. It's a smart way to use technology, but we need to make sure it works well. Uh, Key finding from current studies. After some research, we found important things. This their current system uses Excel and basic tools called ATS, but it's full of errors. We talked to HR managers who want speed and applications who worry about fairness. 40% of them come from diverse backgrounds. Technically, it's easy with AWS and machine learning tools. Economically, it costs 50,000 to set up but saves 200k a year. Officially, it's a bit tricky because we need to train 20 staff. The plan is to test it for sales roles in 3 months. And then ethical dilemma, algorithm bias. Next, let's talk about ethical problems. So one big issue is bias. The training data has 70% male and urban hires, which can make the AI favor them and ignore women and minorities. This turns a human problem into a big automated unfairness. About 25% of diverse applications felt ignored in test. It affects applications with less job access, HR with less diversity, and society by making inequality worse. We use dentology to say we must treat everyone equally, not just focus on peak results. And then ethical dilemma, data privacy erosion. Another issue is privacy. The plan includes scraping data from public profiles without asking permissions, and there is no consent process like GDPR. This feels like surveillance to 60% of candidates who fear misuse. It hurts applications by taking their control, puts legal pressure on HR, and makes society accept saying in hiring. We use Australia's AI ethics to add privacy rules and human rights approach to protect dignity. Strategic solution and justification. To fix this, we suggest a mix of solutions. For bias, we will use Fairlane audits before starting. For privacy, we will add consent pop-ups and hide personal data in the systems. This comes from talking to stakeholders. It reduces bias by 40%, of boosts trust and saves money. 10k cost avoids 1 million fines. Yes, it adds 5% time for privacy, but it's worth it for 20% faster hiring and better reputation. And the last one is conclusion and recommendation. In conclusion, our research shows AI can help but brings bias and privacy risks. Our solutions make hiring fair and safe. Supported by initial findings, I recommend quarterly audits an ethics charter with candidate input, a 3-month test with clear explanation, and 5% of the budget for training. This will build a strong ethical hiring system. That's all for today. Thank you so much.